Let's imagine you are scrolling on Facebook, and you came across a photo which has a beautiful dress or a car in it. But you have no idea what car model it was or what dress it was. Your first approach would be to comment on that post and ask about the model, right? But, be honest. How often do you get the reply back? Well, I get a better option for you. Let's see how you can search for any object in photo instantly. Let's say, in your free time you are scrolling randomly on Facebook or Instagram, and you see this beautiful car. But you have no idea what car model is it, so, simply save the photo in your system. Once it is saved, go to New tab, make sure it's Google homepage. Click on camera icon here. Then click on Upload a File button. Choose the photo you have downloaded. Look at this! Look here, you get a car model name. And it's type 2. And along with that you also get related images of same car on different web pages. You even get a source of this image. I am not very well sure that it is the original one, but nevertheless you get same image on Google too. Let's say, you have this image. You like the jacket in this photo and you want to buy it, but you do not know this guy. Simply open your browser. Click on Camera and then Upload a File button. Adjust the crop on jacket properly. You get almost the exact same jacket here. You can scroll down to see all the variety of the images you are getting. You can even click on link below the image to visit the page that is displaying or selling that jacket. This is a very famous website, AliExpress. You can purchase this item from here. But at this moment, this item is not on sale. Let's go to another website then. Let's see if this website got the jacket or not. Well, there you can see the option of buy now. So basically, this is how you can find or purchase any product you saw in any photo anywhere. Thanks for watching.